तीन एक महिने जाले मंत्रिमंडळाची बसका जाल्ली ना. मायनिंग बंद ताचेर कांय उपाय ना. बेकारी आनी कितलेशेच इश्यूंनी बरोबर तकली वयर काडल्या, मात सरकार खंय वग्गी. काँग्रेस राज्यपाला मेरेनूय पावली. पीडीए स्क्रॅप करची. टीसीपी मंत्री विजयान उतर दिला ते चालीक लावचे म्हूण काँग्रेसीचे आमदार उलयले.
The state is headless for more than 3 months. The Chief Minister's health is not good, and we all extend to him prayers for speedy recovery. But we cannot allow the state to be in a state of vegetative existence. There is no Chief Minister, there is no constitutional alternative, there is a complete breakdown of constitutional machinery. Under these circumstances, what are the alternatives before the state? When constitutional machinery breaks down, normally it is the president who intervenes. We have a presidential rule. Of course, we are not going to that extent of demanding any presidential rule. But we should give a long rope to the present dispensation. BJP, their two associate parties, and whoever else supporting them. You still have numbers. So elect a leader. Elect a new leader. We call upon the governor to act under these circumstances. The Article 163 of the Constitution of India mandates that there shall be a council of ministers headed by the Chief Minister to aid and advise the governor. This simple sentence has great portents for the well-being of the state, and therefore it is the governor who is responsible to see that the mandate of Article 163 is complied with. And if they cannot choose an alternate leader, then the governor should withdraw her pleasure in the leadership of the Chief Minister and pave way for a new leader to take over. So today, for the last 3 months, there has been no cabinet meet. So-called 3-member dispensation which has been created is constitutionally invalid, and therefore what we say is this, that there is a constitutional breakdown. Mining. It began with the stoppage order by Mr. Manohar Parrikar way back in 2012, and over the years it culminated in court orders and finally Supreme Court order, whereby everything has been closed down. Almost 25,000 families without source of income. 1.5 lakh employees directly employed in this business are without jobs. That if you cannot solve this issue, if you cannot create an alternative, better go away and allow the second largest party, or rather the largest party, to form the next government.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार आनी चेतन गवस.